Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack 1. Now, start right off the bat. It's about 15 degrees. We're rocking P4S's. So Pilot Sport 4S's. Summer tire, not designed to get any grip below 40, 50 degrees. But I've warmed up the car, driven it a little bit. Now they were hockey pucks before. It was like, now it's a little bit better. This one, of course, has the performance exhaust as well. 48.930 with the 10-speed Magna Ride, valved exhaust and performance package. This is, I believe, Kona Blue. Yep, Kona Blue over the cloth interior. Stated before, valved exhaust. What I like to call the fun button. Well, it's actually multiple buttons because you have to go through some menus. But makes a world of a difference on the GT. World of a difference. For the better. EcoBoost doesn't sound good with the performance exhaust. This sounds phenomenal. Gonna be driving it in drag strip mode. Bangs off shifts without turning off traction control and making it unbearable. So drag strip mode it is, and with the Magna Ride it also softens the rear, so on launch it can squat a little bit. Gonna do the first round in normal drive, then I will be using the paddles in sport mode. Well, in S in the transmission. So this right here is where the P4S is gonna run into an issue. People that say Mustangs stink in winter is because of this. These are summer tires. I did this in all the all seasons and it was able to go without any wheel slip. Let's try it in the P4S's and now we'll understand why you need all season tires. It went, but it was spinning the whole time. So, the people who say you can't drive these all year round are the people who try to drive them on the summer tires with a heavy right foot. You can't do that in rear wheel drive. It will just instantly spin. And the second you start spinning the tires and you lose forward momentum, is the second you lose your car and any chances of going where you want to go today. However, take it nice and easy with your right foot. If you put it in snow wet mode, actually you don't even need snow wet mode because really all that does is just lessen the throttle response. So if you're an absolute buffoon, you won't crash it. Everybody that brings one of these to Cars and Coffee. Yes, yeah, it's a Mustang review with a Mustang joke. I know it's stereotypical, but I had to get it off my chest because I'm a 21-year-old driving a muscle car. Well, right now I am, and then I have my Challenger. So everybody's like, oh, you're gonna crash it. Yeah, you're only gonna crash if you're stupid. Ta-da! There's a reason why the Darwin Award still exists. Probably not going to get full power down in automatic because it's going to drop it down and just start lighting up the rears, but we'll see what we can do. I know in manual mode it will hook because I tried it, so. But keep in mind, I mean, what is it right now? Well, 23 degrees. It's a heat wave. Fahrenheit, not Celsius. All right. saw second gear, that was third gear, it hooked. Second gear, I was sideways. Summer tires in cold weather. You can't see my hands, but don't do it. It is the number one reason why cars like this crash, is because people don't understand tires. If you think about it, your tires are the only thing touching the ground in your car. At least they should be. If you have like some kind of lemon and you're dragging your muffler, doesn't count. But your tires, those 4 tires are the 4 points of contact to the road. Everything else ideally is above the road. Those tires translate every single input you do to the road. So if your tires aren't good, no matter what you do, it's not going to change much. Remember what I said about the exhaust dragging the ground? That car was open header. And the skid, the plastic panel under the front was dragging the ground. All right. Not gonna try first. I'll touch second. Doubt it will hook. Doubt it will hook. Nope, didn't hook. What is that? Oh, it's a squirrel. I thought it was an owl. That's a big squirrel. It looks like an owl or some kind of fox or something. It sound good. Mustang go burr. This is why I can't have nice things. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.